I will just say that those whose answer is 6. That is not how they obtain 6, but they will calculate the answer in their heads. And those whose answer is 6, okay, will stay here. Stay here. All other can skip. I have said that those whose answer is 6, how they get 6, that is not under discussion. But I will say that those whose answer is 6, because this 2 and this 2 has been cancelled. They treated this one earlier than this one, so their remaining portion is 90 divided by 15, which will result 6. Those whose answer is 6 will stay here, because 6 is not correct. Okay, now you have to learn that why this answer means 6 is not correct and why we can't cancel 2. You have to learn this question. So we have division and multiplication, both are same, but we have to move from left to right. Division will be handled first, and here we apply KCF. Keep first one, change second one, flip third one. Mean 90 is first one, kept as it is. Change. Divide is changed into multiplication. And F mean flip. This one is to be flipped. It will become 2 over 15. Times that portion is separate. That will be written as it is. 15 and 90 are being cancelled. So 6 times 2 times 2. This will give us 12 times 2. Then finally, we will get 24. That is the correct answer. That's why I am asking about those whose answer was 6, because 6 is incorrect and 24 is correct. Thank you.